This conference will now be recorded.
Guys, good morning. Guys, we'll go for the Java 8 features, right? So I think last video, what the last video tell me guys? Lambda expression, first example, class 9, 8, 10. Method reference is for each. I think method reference filter also complete, right? Method reference is filter. 11 classes done, no? Today class will go with the 12th class. Let's tell me the first class, lambda expression. Lambda expressions will provide implementation of which interface, functional interfaces. Second example is what? For each method, printing the data. For each method to print the map data, collection data, anything you can do. Filter method, filter the data based on the condition. Filter is expected in the object is what? A consumer object. Sorry, filter is expecting what? Predicate. If for each expecting which of tell me? Consumer, like the function interface are there, no? Filter expecting what? Predicate. Map is expecting the function like that. No? A filter, you are applying the condition, filter the integer and string data, one video. Class 4 is what? The filter method with the EMP object. My filter into what? EMP object. See, when I repeat this point for every video, so that you get the clarity that, okay, what's the flow is going on, right? That's what I'm. Get the point? Yeah. Map method with the map means what? Applying the operation on every element. Map method is what? Applying the operation on what? Every element, right? Next one is what? Map method is the employee object. Next one is what? Reduce method. Reduce method what? Reduce method apply the operation on all elements. Returns how many values? One value. Sort method with the integer comma string. Sort method with the EMP object. Sort method with what? Integer comma string. Sort method with what? EMP object, right? Sorting operation we done. Next one is the method reference. Method reference we complete on the for each. For each for the printing the data, here we read in the lambda expression and here we read in the method reference code. Filter also here we read in the lambda expression. Here applying the method reference code, right? Today class how much more? 12th. Class 12th, we will talk about method reference with map data. Method reference with what? Map, right? We'll see like this. Today the class number 12. Just please maintain the notes for all the classes. Like the class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4. Maintain the notes for what? All classes. Yes, you know map method. Map method means what? Apply the operation on one element, all elements. Apply the operation on what? All elements in what? Sequence, right? In all elements in a sequence, guys. Apply the operation on all elements in a sequence. You got the point, right? All elements in a sequence, right? Exactly. Yes, let me write one example. You'll get some clarity. So let me open Eclipse ID. Open the Eclipse ID. We'll apply the map operation with method reference code, right? Advanced Java SSS, something like batch we can take. Hmm. You got the clarity, right? This is the method reference with what data? Map data. All videos are done now. If not done, you please check the videos first. One flow we need to go with all the operations, right? Apply the operation on all elements in a sequence. Eclipse ID taking time. Meanwhile, like the video, like the video, comment the video. First like the video, then watch the video. Better. Like the video, comment the video, share the videos. Eclipse side is opening. Eclipse side 2022-03. But 2032 also lambda expression same code. They won't change. Huh? Good. Guys, right click here, close all, create the new filter EMP, something like this. Otherwise, you create the one new project for today. Today, new, I want take what? Change to Java mode here, which is then the JWE mode. New, I want take what? Java project. For the project, map method ref. Map method ref, click on what? Finish. Map method ref, click on what? Finish. Right click new, I want take what? Class. Yes, package name is like com.tcs, something like this. You can take the name. What the name guys? Tell me guys. Map method ref example, right? Map method ref example. Click on main method. Click on finish. You see the code. Yes, let me take one method. Previously I'm writing the code in the main method, but bit step forward, I'll make the separate methods. To make what? Separate methods. Let's see, for example, I have a list of strings actually. As I have list of strings. List of strings you can take. List of strings numbers actually. List of strings are what? Numbers. List dot which method, Amma? Arrays dot as list method you can take. Arrays dot what? Arrays dot as list. Arrays dot as list, double quotes one is there, double quotes two is there, double quotes three is there, double quotes four is there. You get the point, right? Double quotes five is there. This is what, string numbers, right? Why this is numbers, string numbers. I will take one method public. I'll take one method is what? String numbers to string num to string numbers to which data gets here int numbers. This is like conversion process, right? String numbers to what, int numbers, int number, something like this. Because this one is expecting like list of list of what strings. We can take the numbers, right? Exactly. So this method responsibility is what you can give your data to this method. What you're giving list of strings now? List of strings means then what I will tell me? Can you please make this method is a static method so that you can call the method using what? Class name dot dot what am I? String return type should be there void like this method reference example dot a string number to integer, right? Then you can pass the string numbers. So I have the number of numbers in which format? Strings format. I given the data to what this method. This method is taking my strings only. This method take my strings, This method has to return list of strings or list of integers, list of integers you want return. So this method is taking what a list of strings. Then it is converting that list of strings into what, list of. Tell me, list of what? Integers. Exactly. Then you need to return the data, right? Return. Let's tell me, guys. We need to return the data. Return numbers, na numbers is there, na numbers which format? Number strings are, guys. This is like string numbers. You get more clarity about that. String numbers you can take. Okay, string numbers dot which object you have to get stream object. On the stream object, you need to get what about map. Yes, dot what map, right? Map arrow is there. Stream object dot map. Dot map if you take dot what map. What we can say? Tell me. No arrows, ma. I would go to that method reference na double colon. Yes, here this is what type of data you got? List of strings na. List of what? Strings. Strings colon colon. Strings dot what? Colon before the string before the colon like I in the class name. After the colon always method concept is there, right? Yes, yes or no, yeah. Yeah. String dot integer because you got this number in which format? A string format, na. But you want string format, integer format, integer format. Integer dot which method we have to use, no value of method. It's dot we need to collect the data. We need to what? Collect the data. We need to collect the data which format, collectors dot collectors dot which method, to list format. So no, just put a semicolon enough. See how the beautiful code is. We are giving the string integers, string numbers. Convert that string numbers into what, list of integers are giving, right? Then here we need to hold the list of what, integers. By list of what? Integer, right? This is int numbers, right? That is the data, guys. I call this method. I have the strings numbers which format, string format. I given data to this method. This method is converting that what data, string data to what, integer format. I'm holding that data, right? Exactly. Because you can write the int numbers, right? Bus. So you clear? Simply can run this code. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Getting output or not? Like that. String format coming, integer format coming, integer format. If you want, let me try one more code if you want. I will give the my names as a input, my names as a input, but I want to get the output as a length of all the names. I'll give the names, 5 names I will give you, but I want output is what? Every name length I want to get. I can apply the operation on every element, right? I can apply the operation on what, every element. Okay, then tell me what the code for that. We can take the names. Names, right? Here you can take the data like Ratan, you can take Anu, you can take like Stravia, and you can take like Chandu, and you can take like what? 4 values. Got the point, right? Yes, ma'am. Guys, here we need to call the data like names dot. I want to create one method as usual. We can make one static method, public static. I need to go for list of what, what return type? List of integers. List of what? Integer, right? Then you can go for method name is string length method. But string length method, what he is passing? Tell me, he is passing. This is a user defined method, no problem. Fine. Yes, you need to call this method now. So what the method name? Tell me here. Map. Tell me here. Map method reference example dot. Tell me map method reference example dot what? String. String length method. String length method. You can pass the names. So you are giving the names now here. Which format you are giving a list format? List of which data you are giving strings. You are giving the list of names. Then what I need to return? List of integers. What integers? This names what you given? Length I want to give, right? Sir, no, yes. Let's need to go for the return statement. Return. Tell me guys. Names of the job data stream dot which method map dot what map. Observe careful what we need to do. We need to convert every number into length format, right? Length format means what? A string colon colon length. String colon colon what? Length, right? Then you can write the collect method, guys. Write the collect method. That's all. Done. See guys, how the we write in lambda expression you feel like very good. Method reference, see? Huh? This is very good, right? That is very good. This is also very good. No, no, very good. Then you need to hold the data, right? List of what, list of tell me guys what we get. List of what, integer length, right? Length, something like this. So you please print the length. That's all. This out control space. What am I tell me here? Length, right? Lengths. Enough. Yes, you given the list of names to that method. It returns what? It returns what length of that numbers, right? Run this code, check the code once. Ratan, how many characters? 5. Anu, how many characters? 3. Stravia, how many characters? 6. Chandu, how many characters? 6. You want to write the I'm writing Japanna. Japanna, how many characters? I'll write the Japan. So I said Japan. I'll write the Anuradha Akka. Okay, na? Let's run this code. The expected output is what? Anuradha 12 characters. Farzana Akka. Farjana Chelli. Huh? Got that right? This is a way of writing. The code is looking good, right? Previously, we are writing the code like inside the main method. If I take this as the first example, it may feel difficult. That's what now what I done, Amma. I given my data to the argument to the method. That method is written in the data to you after conversion. This is the way of writing the code in real time. Can I take one more method? You please give the input as a lowercase data. Get output is uppercase data. Tell me the code for that. Input as a lowercase data. Lowercase data means this is the data, right? Can I do like this? This is like names or lower names? Lower names. Lower names, ma. This is like Can I please copy paste this code? Okay. A string length, string upper. You want string upper. Upper kadamma. Upper. Upper anta. List of names only, right? Then we need to call that method. What the method? Map method example. Map method reference example dot. What am I? String upper. Upper and lowercase names you are giving. Lowercase name you are giving here. Then we need to return what lengths are. You return the uppercase letters are. Uppercase. It means here the return type is what string. Then here simply return here what we need to ma length to uppercase and to uppercase. You are giving the lowercase names to string upper amma, then return what amma uppercase, right? Exactly. Okay, this is our return type is what amma list of will be a list of what string. This is what upper and lower return upper names. What names amma ma upper kadamma upper upper anta upper ఏదో ఒకటి సంథింగ్ టెల్ upper names. Huh? Upper names. Then you'll get the output amount, no progress. You got the clarity, right? My first life, first method only, maybe you feel like new. Mining all methods are change, right? Small change. Are you clear? Yes. Any questions? Got the clarity, right? Yes. Run this code, you'll get the upper. You are given the upper case or lower case, ma. Lower case you given, but output is coming upper case or lower case. Upper case anta. Ratan, Anu, Shravya, Chendu, Anuradhaka. Anu will fill then. Okay, you got the point, right? That's a map with what as a reference. Hey, let me take one more small last point. This is like you're taking the methods now. This is normal data. Let me take the one custom method. Previously filter also I take one custom method, right? Map also can I take one custom method? Wait, custom methods right click new. I want to take the class. The class name is called person. The person name and person age I will take. The string name. Tell me guys, string name. Observe carefully. String name. Next is what? Int age. Then you write the constructor here. Right click source. Speak fast. Generate constructor using fields. Click on what? Generate. Done? Yeah. Guys, here I need to write the data. I'm not going to print. Wait 1 second. You get the point, right? You want print the generator two string, not required. Just let me write the code. The point is that this is a constructor inside the data, right? Tell me, guys. List of what? List of job dates here. Person. List of person. You can take the persons equal to arrays dot. Tell me, guys. Arrays dot what? Arrays dot as list. Arrays dot as list of what? New person. New person. Person name is what? Ratan. Ratan age is what? 22 years. Race is what? 22 years. A new second person is what? Person. The name is what? Anu. Anu is what? 18 years. Get the point, right? Yes. Because the question is that for this age, I want increment. You guys are feeling right. So now I make the two plus two. Plus I will make what 2. I want to make plus 2, right? Plus 2. Every age I want to make the plus 2. Every age plus 2 means I need to go for the map. Then you need to go for the custom method. What a custom method? Public return type should be integer because you have written the value. New age, right? New age. We can take the new age, guys. Here, what we need to return. Tell me what we written here. This dot. This means variable, right? Here the variable. This dot age plus 2. Age plus what? 2, right? Exactly. Got the clarity, right? Is new age is there, no? This one. This is applied for one age or all the ages? Because you're applying filter mapper. Mapper means operation on one element, all elements are. All elements, right? Map means operation on what? All the elements, right? Exactly. Guys, are you clear now? That is. information. Any questions? Simply can run this code. Oh, we didn't write the code for that first of all. At the code, persons dot which object stream. Person dot stream dot stream dot what? Ma map of which class, that is person class. Person class colon colon. Which method you have to call? Ma? That is a method name, right? Method name is what? New age. Huh? Okay, fine. No, no worries. Just control space. You'll get that new age. Dot you want to print out? Let me print it. Age, because you are applying the map means what, a specific property. Now you are printing only specific property. You are getting the complete data na specific property. Specific property. That's what take the age. While discussing map, I told that point clearly. Generally, the operation is performed on the specific property. If you want to get all the object, I write in the code for that, right? At that time, you just take it. But, sir, why you are printing the age only means map is applied on only age. It returns only age data. It doesn't return the object actually. If you want return the object, we need to write the return statement here. Somewhere, that's what. Okay, sys out control space. Just you can write what? Sys out the control space. Sys sys out control space what ma age. What expected age ma? 24, 2024. Yes or no? Correct age, right? Run this code ma. Which na 24, 20. I don't want your age is my one my age. You should be maybe 27, 28. I know that. Okay, clear? Very, very good example you got, right? Big example you got. Very clear. Because first method is what? First method is taking the numbers as a string format, converting that numbers into what? Convert numbers into what? Convert the numbers into integer format by convert the strings into convert the strings into int format. Second one is what? Take the all the names, that names length you want written. Lengths you want written, right? Next one is what? Convert that names to the uppercase. Lowercase to uppercase. Output is very clear, right? This is the strings, integers. This is like length. 5, 3. This is like uppercase. This is like what? 24h. This is like 20h. Clear? Yes. And this is the video number. How much? While watching the video, you write every line of code. If I share this material, no use, because if I share the material, you copy paste. Copy paste means code will come up? No. I am typing right every line. Huh? Then what about the problem with you guys? You should write now. You should write the code. You should run the code. You should write the notes clearly. This is the apply the class 12. Next class we will meet class 13. Mostly I'll go for the Java 8 features 20 classes, because you should know all operations, right? Uh, Where's the database? Clear up? Yeah. This is the code for that. Yeah. Yes, like the video, comment the video, subscribe to our channel to get the more video. But support Ratan sir, support. Write the comments for clan bell icon. Share the information to your friends. Just they'll get the more subject. They also. Bye guys.